Hi, I'm Keith. Welcome to your practice today. We're going to do a simple meditation. It's suitable for all levels. We'll use the power of visualization. And you can do these techniques to kind of visualize your ideal future in the long term. I have other meditations like this you might have practiced with me. But you can also do it in the short term. So this is a really simple one to just set the tone for a really good day or 24 hours ahead. It's a good one in the morning, right, for your day ahead, or at night for the day that's coming up. But you can do this any time of day. And it just helps us create this shift from possibly focusing on what we're worried about, right? Anxiety, worry, putting energy into what we don't want to have happen, to doing the opposite and taking time out of our day to put energy and focus into what we would like to unfold, right? Our minds are powerful. If you could see it in your mind, you'll attract it and create it with your reality. Allow your eyes to close. Make sure you're comfortable in your seat. I'm on my knees. You can be cross-legged in a chair, sitting on cushions. Feel your tailbone lengthen down, your shoulders relax down your back. And feel a little lift through your heart and through the crown of your head, and then a big breath into the center of your chest through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Two more like that. Exhale, relax. Again, deep inhale. Let's hold the breath at the top for a few moments. For 3, 2, open mouth, exhale for 1, let it go. And now simply start to breathe in and out through your nose, and you can feel your breath coming in and out of the space around the center of your chest, your heart center. You can imagine a wave of calm or light coming in on your inhale. And see, is there space to relax more with your exhale? And for the next several minutes, I'm going to guide you into a daydream here. And we're just playing, so don't tense up, taking this too seriously or trying to do this correctly. You're just having an exercise with your imagination. I invite you, with your imagination, from where you are now, to see your next 24 hours unfolding in the best possible way you could imagine. You can imagine moments you want to have happen or interactions that you want to have go well. Could be simple things like seeing yourself enjoying a good book or cooking a nice meal. You can see this chronologically from after you finish this meditation, or just little glimpses or highlights of your next 24 hours. And again, don't worry about doing this correctly. Just with your imagination, see yourself. Don't let any doubts come in the way or dive into any stories. Just sending good energy with your mind into the day ahead. And beyond just what you see, you can imagine what this will feel like. Will there be relief or joy or ease, peace, pleasure. Let this feel good just by imagining it. And don't be afraid to dream big even for the next day. Maybe throw in a pleasant surprise or something lucky happening. I'm going to leave it to you on your own for the next several minutes. Enjoy this daydream and put good energy into the next day ahead just with your imagination. See it, feel it, believe it. Don't get caught up on how for this exercise. Just see the what. Enjoy. Couple more minutes here. Maybe see your favorite part of the next 24 hours unfolding. Put some energy there. Invite your hands to the space in front of your heart. And just take a couple breaths to seal this in. I feel grateful for where you're at today. And just know if you get caught up worrying about something or just normal stresses of life, taking a couple minutes to do the opposite of worrying, what we just did, seeing the ideal unfolding of things, could really shift your energy, change the tone of how you show up in your life, you show up with other people. Wishing you a really wonderful day. Thanks for sharing the practice. Namaste.